Hey everybody, Dimitri here with Cirque Supply, and today we're going to talk about the new track wall panel kit. Let's dig right in. Standing inside the new Sprinter 144 show van with our track wall panel kit, and I want to quickly explain to you what this is, why we did it, some pros, some cons. Let's dig in right now. Number one, why did we do it? It's because people won't stop asking us for this. Now, if you know our brand, we have the classic wall panel kit that fits factory holes everywhere, but it doesn't quite scratch the itch for folks who want logistics track on their walls, whether it be hanging cabinets, gear, or just being able to have some modularity in your build. The logistics track is kind of unbeatable in that respect. So the reason we did it is because people wanted it. The reason we didn't do it over the many years we've been doing this is that it's cost prohibitive. Usually, we found a way around this, but I'll explain why it's cost prohibitive. Number one, most L-track wall panel kits will require you to have an aluminum bracing system underneath your walls, and it also has vertical L-track spans running just about everywhere, and that is really where the cost comes in. It's labor intensive, and it can run you up to $17,000 depending on who you want to install it. Our L-track is a little bit different. Let's talk about some pros and cons. Pros and cons. Pro number one is it's L-track. You don't have a bunch of factory holes everywhere. Unless you have van speed capsules or window openings like that, you're not going to have any holes in your walls. There's not going to be any screws, no finish screws. The L-track itself holds all of the panels in, and it does a really great job at it. It works with upholstery. It works with any of our standard traditional colors. All around, it's just a way more beautiful and polished look. We're currently offering this with black hardware, black L-track. That's our style. We're going to keep rolling with that. We can do stainless if somebody, or not stainless, but rather brushed aluminum if somebody requests it. Pro number one, appearance. Pro number two, modularity. All of our existing and prior and future overhead cabinets and base cabinets will mount to the L-track. You just get L-track studs. In fact, this cabinet back here, I'll show you the inside in a little bit, is mounted using the L-track. And this gives us the ability to slide this cabinet anywhere we want in the van, move it to the other side. Whether it be hard shell cabinets like this or soft bags, you can really change your van out depending on what your needs are for that particular situation. Pro number three is cost. This is the first ever affordable L-track wall panel kit because it does not use the actual aluminum framing underneath. This is strictly L-track straight to factory holes on the vehicle. And with that, let's dig into some of the cons. Anybody who's selling you a product with no cons is a con artist, so let's dig in and talk about some of the things that make this maybe not the best fit for you. If you need an ultra load bearing wall panel kit, and more importantly and specifically if you're supporting a fixed bed platform that is not going to have any support from underneath, number one, right out the gate just using studs, this won't work. They're not designed to hold heavy loads in that respect. These are designed to hold loads that have to do with shearing forces, so it's great for mounting your cabinets, great for hanging your overhead cabinets or soft bags and what have you. It is not good for mounting just fixed bed platforms straight to one L-track. If you need to mount it that way, there's a way to make it work with our kit, but you got to get in touch with us first, because otherwise the thin walls of the vehicle that this is being rib nutted to, they're not going to rip out, certainly, but they're going to bend and bow, and that's not good for your vehicle in the long term. So that's con number one. Con number two is this track kit is very mildly more difficult to service than our standard classic wall panel kit. With the classic wall panel kit, you just take a screwdriver out, you undo a couple screws, you pull the panel out, and you work behind it. That's in a perfect world. Now let's talk realistically. You're going to have cabinets in front of everything. So if you need to service anything, it's already not going to be that easy. And it's made just a little bit more difficult because there's more fasteners on the L-track, and these fasteners are very particular. This kit, when you install it, the holes, you have to really follow instructions on when you're drilling the pilot holes in this kit, because if you're off very slightly, there's not a whole lot of tolerance with the track kit. So it requires a little bit more patience and care when installing, so that if you need to service it later, it's easy. Although, if you don't install it very carefully and a couple of those holes are a little crunchy, if you know what I mean, it's going to make servicing things later a little bit more difficult. It's not the end of the world, but it's just not fun for anybody involved. And then the last con of this kit, really, is unlike our classic wall panel kit that fits almost entirely factory holes, this kit does involve having to make more holes throughout the vehicle. Let me explain. The beginning and end screws of each L-track do fit factory holes. They line up flawlessly, and they work well as kind of guides so you know where to put the L-track, how to have it level. But all of the other holes in the middle, they don't have factory holes. So you end up having to drill out a bunch of extra holes. Now, Some might argue it's not really that big a deal to add a couple extra holes in your vehicle, but if you are thinking maybe you don't want the track kit later and you're going to resell the van, it's just something worth considering. Is when the kit comes off at the end of the vehicle's life, there's going to be more holes. They'll have rib nuts in them, so they'll be useful, functional holes, but there will be more holes nonetheless. It's always something to consider when starting your van build. One of the key points with the track kit that we want to hammer down is the modularity and ease in which you can move things around, take things in and out. If you look at the classic wall panel kit geometrically, we have factory holes, usually on even planes, left to right, front to back. However, the distance between those holes changes constantly, and they're pretty inconsistent. We're kind of at the mercy of Mercedes on where those holes land. You don't have that with the track wall panel kit. You have L-track positioned very consistently, I think every 1 inch, every 2 inch for mounting points, all throughout the front and back of the vehicle, which means we can really slide these things wherever we want. And these oblong channels here inside of our cabinets give you the flexibility to kind of slide things around. So I'm going to quickly take this aero cabinet down and show you a couple things. These right here, let's see if we can get a close-up. These are L-track studs. They're going to come with any of the overhead cabinets you buy from us for L-track. There'll also be a couple that come with the track kit, but what these guys do is they fit right in to the grooves here. Hold on, there we go. And it locks things in. So you can pre-place these studs before you mount the overhead cabinets. As you can see, I've already got one here from when I just took that cabinet off. We'll put a second one on. The idea behind these is you can lift the cabinet, slide it onto the studs, and now it holds the weight of the cabinet while you quickly thread on a nut and a washer. Here's the nut for you. And if you get the Adventure Wagon soft bags, for instance, they have these like round chucks you can turn. Makes it really quick and easy to move stuff on and off. Speaking of Adventure Wagon, here is an AdWag soft bag. As I mentioned before, the idea behind this is that you can simply, let's see if we can get this on first try. There we go. Line up your studs on the back, and then you can mount to the top using L-track or fasteners of your choice, and now you have full compatibility with soft bags. This will work for Van Essential, Vandermoon, Adventure Wagon, you name it. The standard height for the L-track on this kit is going to fit all of the standard soft bags on the market, as well as our overhead cabinetry. So it makes compatibility and modularity a real possibility with this kit. There it is, folks. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. We're really excited about this product. There'll be a link for it down below. I really recommend checking it out. If you're already shopping for wall panels, we have moved mountains when it comes to sourcing and being productive, and more importantly, being hyper efficient here in the shop, so that you don't have to spend $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 to have an L-track wall panel kit. This actual kit falls within a few $100s of our existing classic wall panel kit. So this is not by any stretch of the imagination a massive investment on top of what you would already be spending with our standard kit, but it is a different version. It's a far more, in my opinion, beautiful version. Hate to knock my own product on the classic side, but if this scratches the itch for having logistics track inside of your Sprinter build and soon Transit, depending on when you're watching this, this might be a good fit for you. So if you got questions, please leave them below. We'd love to interact, talk to you guys about how we do it. If you care and you're doing your own build, I would love to personally invite you to join our Facebook group, where we're posting things constantly, but more importantly, we want to build a community and encourage you to invite your friends and family to post their builds and show people what they're doing. Maybe drop some wisdom for those coming after them and help the next generation of DIY builders do it better, do it cheaper, and do it safer. So thank you again for watching to the end of this video. We really appreciate your support on this channel. As always, happy building.